You ever had that moment where you're halfway through your dream vacation, just soaking it all in, and then, bam, something unexpected happens? Yeah, I've been there. And if you're a senior traveler like me, it's even more real because, well, let's face it, our bodies don't exactly bounce back like they used to. Last year, I decided to finally take that trip I'd been dreaming about for decades, a quiet, scenic tour through the Italian countryside. I was so excited, camera ready, heart full of hope. But on day 3, while exploring a charming little village, I twisted my ankle pretty badly. Not just a little misstep, but the kind that makes you realize you're not as young as you think. Now, here's where things got tricky. I didn't want to ruin the trip, but walking was painful, and I was miles from a hospital. The panic started to set in, not just because of the pain, but because I wasn't sure what my insurance would cover. Would I have to pay out of pocket? Would I have to cut the trip short and fly home? The stress was crushing. Thankfully, I had something many of my friends hadn't thought about: travel insurance tailored for seniors. Honestly, I used to think travel insurance was just one of those things you buy and forget about. But this was different. The policy I chose covered emergency medical care, including hospital stays and even the costs if I had to change my flight. That peace of mind? It's priceless. Here's the emotional twist. A few days later, I found out my ankle was worse than I thought and needed minor surgery. I was terrified. But the insurance company was unbelievably supportive. They helped me find a trusted local doctor and managed all the paperwork, so I could focus on healing without drowning in bureaucracy. It taught me something important. Travel insurance for seniors isn't just about protection. It's about freedom. The freedom to explore without the constant worry that one bad step could mean financial disaster or a ruined vacation. If you're planning a trip and you're a bit older like me, don't underestimate how vital this is. Look for plans that specifically cater to seniors, covering things like pre-existing conditions, medical evacuation, and trip interruptions. And pro tip, always read the fine print to understand exactly what's included and what's not. Honestly, my best travel hack? It's Auras.insure. It's not flashy, but it's reliable, straightforward, and honestly feels like having a guardian angel watching over you while you're away. I use it every single time I travel now, and I've recommended it to every friend in my age group. It's one of those little things that makes a huge difference when life throws you a curveball. So, next time you're booking your trip, do yourself a favor and check out Auras.insure. It's not about fearing what could go wrong. It's about being ready for whatever comes your way, so you can focus on what really matters: making memories.